Hello student, good morning and welcome you again to the virtual classes by Jet Kids, and you are learning in class 1. As you know, we are learning our subject maths, and in today's video we are going to see the topic revision of numbers and number names up to 20 and counting forward and backward. Yes. In previous videos also we learn about the numbers up to 9, numbers up to 20 and counting forward and backward up to 9 and up to 20. So we are going to have a revision of this topic again. Ready? Okay. Now student, we will see first numbers and number names up to 20. See how to write number 1? Yes, here numbers are given and number names are given. So we will just have a revision of it. 1, O-N-E, 1. 2, T-W-O, 2. 3, T-H-R-E-E, 3. 4, F-O-U-R, 4. 5, F-I-V-E, 5. 6, S-I-X, 6. 7, S-E-V-E-N, 7. 8, E-I-G-H-T, 8. 9, N-I-N-E, 9. 10, T-E-N, 10. Now we are going to see the numbers up to 20. 11, E-L-E-V-E-N, 11. 12, T-W-E-L-V-E, 12. 13, T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N, 13. 14, F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N, 14. 15, F-I-F-T-E-E-N, 15. 16, S-I-X-T-E-E-N, 16. 17, S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N, 17. 18, E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N, 18. 19, N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N, 19. And 20, T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20. So student, you remember the numbers and numbers up to 20. Now you have to copy down this in your notebook. Now we will see the exercise regarding numbers and number names up to 20. Now students, see, question is given here. Write number names for the given numbers. Now here some numbers are given and you have to write the number names for given number. Okay. So first you have to read the number. See the number 2. Okay. So what is the number name for 2? Yes. Can you answer? Very good. T-W-O, 2. So you have to write the number name 2 in front of number 2. Now see, read the next number 8. So what is the number name for 8? E-I-G-H-T, 8. So you have to write the number name for 8. Now see the following numbers: 4, 7, 1, 10, 3, 9, 5 and 6. What you have to do? You have to write the number name of below numbers in front of them. Okay. So numbers below are given, so you have to write the number name for them. Now see the next. Now here are 2-digit numbers started. Okay. Now numbers from 11 to 20. So read the first number. It is 12. So what is the number name for 12? Yes. T-W-E-L-V-E, 12. So you have to write down this number name in front of 12. Now see the next number 17. Yes. So you have to write down the number name for 17. SEVENTEEN 17. Now read the next numbers: 13, 11, 19, 20, 14, 16, 18 and 15. What you have to do? You have to write the number names for given number in front of them. First, you have to copy down this in your notebook and then you have to write down the number names for given number. This one is your PH. Okay? Now, we will see the next numbers. Write numerals for given number names. Okay, write in numerals. So here number names are given. So you have to write it in numerals. Means you have to write the numbers of that given number in front of the number name. Now see the first one. It is ONE 1. So how will you write 1 in numeral? Yes, so you have to write the number 1 in front of the number name. Now read the next number. It is TWO 2. Yes, number name is given. So you have to write in numerals. You have to write the number for the given number name. So 2, how to write 2? Yes. Now here some number names are given. So you have to read them. Yes, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What you have to do? You have to write down the number name for given, numbers for that given number names. Okay. Now see the next one. Now we are writing in numeral numbers up to 20. Okay, 11 to 20. So see the first one. ELEVEN 11. Yes. So how will you write it in numerals? Yes, 1 10 and 1 1 11. Yes. Now see the next. TWELVE 12. 1 10 and 2 ones 12. So if the number names are given to you and question is like that, write numerals for given number names or write in numerals, you have to write the numbers for given number names. Now these all are your PH. You have to copy down it in your notebook and then you have to write the numbers for given number. Okay. Now we will see the next. Counting forward. Yes, we learned in previous video also how to count forward. Just we are going to revise it once. Counting forward. So what is mean by counting forward? Yes, forward counting. Forward counting is a counting by adding one more every time. Okay. So when you add one more every time, you will get the next number, forward number. Yes. When we start counting from 1 and move forward, count forward till the 10, adding one more each time, it is called a counting forward. So shall we start? Okay. Now here 1 is given. Yes. Now 4, 6, 10 means all are the forward number, after number of that numbers. Yes. So here you have to count forward. So if you add 1 in a 1, the number you will get is 2. If you add one more in 2, you will get the number 3. So you have to write down 2 and 3 in given boxes. Yes, you have to write the numbers in missing boxes. Now when you add 1 to the 3, you will get the answer 4. Yes, it is already given. Now again you have to count forward. After 4 comes, yes, 5. After 5 comes 6. Now what we are doing? We are counting forward. Yes, means we are adding one more number each time. When you add 1 to the 6, you will get the after number of 6. It is 7. So write down 7. Again if you add 1 to the 7, you will get the answer 8. One more if you add it to the 8, Yes, when we add 1 to any number, you will get the number after number of that. Yes, answer is after number of that number. So it is 9, and after number of 9 is 10. So here we completed our forward counting 1 to 10. Yes, by adding one more. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. You have to copy down this in your notebook. Now see the next one. Now here we are starting counting from 11. If you add 1 to the 11, you will get the answer. Yes, some after number of that number. 11 after number is 12. After 12 comes 13. So 13 is already written there. After 13 comes 14. After 14 comes 15. Yes, what we are doing? We are adding or we are finding after number each time. Okay. After 15, if you add 1 to the 15, you will get the answer 16. After number of 15, 16. Now after number of 16 is 17. It is already given, so no need to write it again. After 17 comes 18, and if you add 1 to the 18, you will get the after number 19 and 20. Here also we completed counting forward or forward counting 11 to 20. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Understand how to count forward? Yes. You have to find the after number of that number each time, or you can add one more each time. Okay. Now here are some more examples that you have to solve by yourself. Now we will see the next topic. It is counting backward. Now what is meant by counting backward? Yes, in forward counting what we did? We count forward, add one each time. Now in backward counting we count down or count back by saying numbers in reverse order. Yes, in forward counting we count forward, we use the counting forward, but here we say the numbers in reverse order. Yes, likewise see 20, before 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Understand? Yes. What we did? We said the numbers in reverse order. We count down, count back. Yes. We go back, not forward. So see here some examples are given. We will solve them. So see numbers are given 16, 15, 14. Now missing one box is missing. Yes, so you have to fill the missing numbers in that. So what will come before 14? It is 13. So write down 13. Before 13, 12. Before 12, 11. Now again missing number is there. So you have to find out the missing number. So before 11 comes, very good, 10. And before 10 comes 9. So here we have completed the backward counting by filling missing numbers 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10 and 9. We will see one more example. Now see 18 is given and you have to count backward. So before 18 comes 17. Yes, so write down 17. Before 17, 16. Before 16, 15. Yes. Now we are going to find out the before number of 15. So what is the before number of 15? It is 14. Yes. And what is the before number of 14? 13. Before 13 comes 12. And before 12 comes, what comes before 12? You have to find out the missing number here. Yes, 11. You are right. Now you write down the 11 there. Very good. Now here also we have completed our backward counting 18 to 11. Let us read it once. 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12 and 11. Here are some more examples given. So what you have to do? You have to copy down these all examples in your notebook and then you have to find out the missing numbers by counting backward. Yes. So student, here we revise number and number names up to 20, counting forward and counting backward. Yes. So you have to practice it. You have to copy down it in your notebook, write it. Till then student, bye. Have a nice day.